Welcome everyone, Jen O'Sullivan here. I'm going to share with you in a very brief presentation my all-time favorite thing that I use in my practice as a naturopath. This is LifeWave X39. Have you been patched? Have you tried these before? This is the fun little patch here. It's about the size of a quarter and you stick it on. All right, so just to know that this is for educational purposes only. Yes, I am a LifeWave brand partner. We're not trying to treat or cure or prevent any disease, and this has not been evaluated by the FDA. But I'm going to just share with you a fun, quick presentation on how this all works. So, cellular decline is something that is widely researched. At the age of 20, we have very high levels of a copper peptide called GHKCU. Now, to understand GHKCU, it actually rises and falls at the exact same rate as our healing cell regeneration. By the age of 30, your GHKCU in your body declines by 60%, and by the age of 60, by 90%. This is why we age. So, what is GHKCU? Well, this was discovered in 1973 by Dr. Lauren Picard, and it's a human copper peptide. And he started figuring out how we could do it topically. So, the book really talks about topical, but this is far more compelling when you start to study the research that has been done on this for internal. So what is it exactly? Well, it's three amino acids, glycine, histidine, and lysine, bound to a trace mineral that's already found in your body, copper. All of these are in your body. It's just a matter of your body not making them right now. So when you eat meats and eggs, animal protein, you get a lot of good amino acids. When you're eating vegetables, you get a little bit less, but still in there as well. But let's look at something interesting, resveratrol. Now, a lot of people say, oh, it's amazing because it resets two genes. So everybody gets crazy about red wine and dark berries. But what's very interesting about GHKCU is it will reset 4,192 genes. And again, this has been studied since 1973 and proven. It will reset human GHKCU. So the more meaning it resets your genes. If you have this human, it's endogenous. The more GHKC you have in your body, the slower you age. And actually, it can induce age reversal, which is really exciting when you start to understand what GHKCU actually does in your body. So let me introduce you to a product that actually has been proven to increase in your own body endogenous GHKCU, and that gives you younger, healthier cells. So this patch is FDA recognized as a compliant general wellness product. It is non-transdermal and non-invasive. It's made out of amino acids and salts. It uses infrared light therapy, very easy to use, peel and stick, and it's patented. So this technology is patented and it's proven. Tons of research on it. But I want to show you how it works. So phototherapy, the sun hits your skin and your skin produces, well, it doesn't produce vitamin D, nor does the sun produce vitamin D, right? Your body does. So what this means is it's acting like a signal. So the sun will hit your skin, the dermis of your skin signals the inside of your body to produce vitamin D. So it's like a switch to turn on health. And in the case of the patch, it is also like a switch. It has nothing in it other than nanocrystals that are reflecting back your own infrared light. And that infrared light at very specific wavelengths based on the little tiny mirrors, these little tiny crystal mirrors that are inside the patch, it's telling your body specifically what to do. And what it's saying is, hey, get together glycine, histidine, lysine, and copper, and combine them to make endogenous peptides, this endogenous GHKCU. And why is that important? Because you can take GHKCU internally, like you can consume a capsule of it, you can get injections of it, but your body won't utilize it the same way it would is if your own body made it. So this is where it gets real exciting because when you increase this endogenous peptide, GHKCU in your body, you get these potential benefits. So generally speaking, right off the bat, you're going to see mitochondrial activity go up, which means you're going to feel more energy right away. That means it's working and that the cell proliferation is happening. That means healthy younger cells are beginning to multiply in your body. When you have healthy younger cells, more cell proliferation, and again, it will not proliferate disease cells. It has no ability to do that. It only helps produce healthier younger cells. You get more strength, more stamina, better mobility, better cognition, supports your energy, it supports your mood balance, it supports hormone balance, helps with skin smoothing, supports healthy vision, healthy gums, healthy digestion, and on and on. So again, when you start to understand that when you have younger, healthier cells, you end up with a younger, healthier you. And we have to remember that it's going to go to work where most critical. And that might be inside. So we want you to download the free health tracker on patchedu.com, get figured out where your baseline is, and then commit. Okay, you're going to wear this patch on the below your navel area or right behind your neck. You're going to commit to 6 to 12 months. It's very important that you do this because you know, what have you done to yourself so far to get you into the predicament that you're in your when it comes to your health? It's going to take some time for this to work because your cell proliferation, the healthy younger cells max out at 2100%. That's huge, but it's at the 6 month mark. So we really want you to commit to at least 6 months and beyond, and you're going to see benefits as you move forward. So you can go to patchedu.com and learn a lot more information about it. It's going to share with you all sorts of information and tools. But I want you to go to the person right now who shared this with you. I want you to get started. I want you to enjoy your life more. I want you to feel better and just live amazing. I want you to have a great life. So that's it for today for this presentation, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take